All right, hi guys. Today I want to talk about the complete CAT overview and CAT and all the non-CAT exams. So CAT 21, CET 22, all the exams and all the exams in between. Okay, so why I've given you this sheet here is I want a backup plan. I don't just believe in the CAT exam. Of course, you want to go to IIMs, we are going to go to SPJ and FMS. But what if the CAT goes bad? So I have divided complete MBA exam into two main buckets. One is a CAT bucket, one is a CET bucket. If you're preparing for the CAT exam, you cannot prepare for the CET exam. If you're preparing for the CET exam, you cannot prepare for the CAT exam because they're two separate exams. So today we'll talk about all these things, how to plan your studies and everything for CAT 21 and CET 22. So if you're going for the CAT CAT and the related exam, you are already getting prepared for CAT, ZAT, and IFT only. CET is a totally different ball game. So those who are going for the CAT exam, if you have the orange books, they are completely sufficient for these exams. Of course, there will be few extra thing to be added. For example, there's GK section in IFT. There's a decision making section in DM in ZAT. So we have to add those things as well. And if you are going for CET, you can automatically get prepared for NMAT, SNAP, CMAT, and TIS. ठीक है यार imagine my point of view I'll go mad tracking all these exams NMAT, SNAP, ZAT दिमाग खराब होता है रोज हर साल. So I have divided into two main exams. For merely two main exams are there, CAT and CET. चलेगा. For CET we have the black books. For CAT we have the orange books. In short, fine. I'm going for TASE, I'm going for CMAT. Bhai, they're all subset of CET. If you're preparing for the CET exam, they automatically come in that exam. Okay. This is the timeline of all the exam in India, and there are four major milestones that will come. May, June, July, August, September, you are going to prepare. This is a preparation time. Fine. This is a study time. No exams, no tension, study time. Okay. May, June, July, August, September, will study. Okay. Rishi, that's a good point. If you have joined our G100 program, that will cover up all the exams, CAT to CET, all the exams. Okay. All right. NMAT is in October, CAT November, IFT SNAP in December, ZAT it is in January, CMAT in Feb, CET in March. This is a typical timeline. Fine. Assuming there is no COVID next year. Yeah, that is not assuming COVID next year. All right. April, there'll be GDPI going on, and final admission is going to be in May. This is the tentative timeline for 2022. Okay. So how I wanted to study that? Okay, from today onwards, I wanted to first complete the basics. National Girlfriend Day is on August 1. So I want you to complete your orange books, those who are going for the CAT exam, by August 1, May, June, July. You are getting 3 months ka time to complete your orange books. If you have a girlfriend, great, celebrate your happy girlfriend day. If you don't have, then make CAT as your girlfriend. You can make out 24 hours every day, boss. You can make out 16 hours every day. ठीक है. अभी ज्यादा इमेजिन मत कर अंश, चुपचाप बैठे रहे. Okay. Same way, those who are going for the CET exam, Shrikant, yes, please talk to the team. If you're going for the CET exam, I want Diwali ka time to complete your black books. I want you to complete your black books by October. If you can do that, guys, I can promise you that you will score well in the exams. Complete your books first, orange and blacks. Because after this, we are going for the advanced level, the pro level for CAT and pro level for CET. Okay. So these are the milestones why I say them. August 1, you automatically become serious about the exam. Yep. Yes, for CET also you'll get the pro level books. For CET 22, you'll get the advanced books, which I'm going to make after CET 21. Okay. So you'll become serious about the exams on August 1. That is what I try to say. ठीक है. August 1 के बाद ना अचानक से आपके अंदर से आएगा, oh my God, let's work hard. Fine. And that anthu will completely go by Dahi Handi. The day Dahi Handi फूटेगा ना, नहीं गणपति बापा नहीं, दही हांडी, जन्माष्टमी. अभी इन महाराष्ट्र इज दही हांडी, इन नॉर्थ आई डोंट नो. जन्माष्टमी यार, हमारे यहाँ तो जन्माष्टमी होता है ना, जन्माष्टमी अगस्त 31st को बम फूटेगा. देन वी विल divide the people into two trains. One train will go for the CAT exam, one train will immediately go toward the non-CAT exam. Okay, this is the time when we split to CAT, non-CAT. क्योंकि अगस्त 31st है ना, अंदर से आवाज आ जाता है, यू नो फ्रॉम द इनसाइड दैट यू कैन डू इट और यू कैन नॉट डू इट. ओके, सेम फ्रॉम द सीईटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, दिवाली इज योर मेजर माइलस्टोन. दिवाली आते आते सीईटी वाला विल बिकम सीरियस. ओ माय गॉड, आई हैव टू क्रैक सीईटी. And then he started his preparation thoda bahut November, December. Then the real bomb will strike on January 1, on New Year Eve. New Year Eve पे तो party कर लिया. Next day when you will get up in the morning, when the hangover will get over, then you will realize, oh my God, you have got 2 months remaining for the CET exam, because there is a person who will make the video on that. 2 months to CET exam. फिर जब फट के हाथ में आएगा ना, okay. Same way, August 1, I'll make the video 3 months to the CAT exam, and then New Year wale din 2 months of CET exam. These are the two major milestones when the people start getting scared. Okay, so same for you as well. Those who are going for the CAT 21, I want you to focus purely on the CAT 21. I don't want you to look at anything else. Fine. The day we are getting nervous about the CAT exam, nahi ho payega, this and that, we'll start looking at the non-CAT exam as well. So those who are going for the CAT exam will focus non-CAT exam also. Those who are going for the CET exam, we'll be going for the non-CET exam as well. That's my advice to you people. हाँ, we'll go for both ना. वैभव, CAT तक हम किसी चीज की बात नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है? CAT तक will not talk about anything. Those who joined us for the G100 program, you will first get the orange books. After orange books are over, we'll get the pro level books for the CAT exam. After CAT exam, we'll have the pro level book for the non-CAT exam. Okay. You can go for all the exam now. Ayush, yes. Okay, now what is the difference between the exam? Let's talk about that. This is the complete syllabus from the quant point of view for the CAT exam. Om, yes. First think of the CAT exam, then we look at the non-CAT exam. Sarth, you will get the books, you will get the other books. Don't worry about that. Aapko sab books milega. First focus on CAT. Okay. So this is a complete syllabus from the quant section. Everything is going to come. Every topic is important, 1 to 2 marks for everything. If the topic, if I talk about this is for the CAT exam. If I talk about the non-CAT exam, modern maths is very less, almost no. So you can remove modern maths ka part from the non-CAT exam. So this is the difference between CAT and non-CAT. ठीक है, इसका डिटेल सिलेबस आई विल सेंड यू आफ्टरवर्ड, बट दिस इज द एडवांस लेवल. Shraddha, yes. Okay. Here, those who have done with the orange books, sir, I joined long time ago. I've done with the orange books. Yes, please call the CET King team. Please call our technical team. They will send you the pro level books. Yes, pro level books are available. You can take the books. Okay. हाँ, जैसे अगेन डिपेंड ऑन एग्जाम बाय एग्जाम यार. किसी एग्जाम में लॉग्स आता है, किसी में मॉडुलस आ सकता है, सो दे कैन कम, बट मोस्टली नॉन कैट में मॉडर्न मैथ्स नहीं आता है. मोस्ट ऑफ द एग्जाम इन इंडिया आर बेस्ड ऑन अर्थमेटिक. मेजर पार्ट इज अर्थमेटिक. ओके, and this is where the problem started. Imagine this question. Yeah, this is the type of question which are coming in the CAT exam. And these kind of question will not come in the CET exam. That's the best part of CET, non-CAT. This is purely CAT level. For the value of X, find the maximum possible value of this. Number one, I don't know maximum minima. Number two, I don't know how to use X. And there will be at least 8 to 10 questions which have the word X. All right. Okay, Gaurang, I'm going to block you now. I'm sorry about this. I'm going to block you now. Okay. Even I hate X here. I hate X. Fine. So whenever you see X, we are going to use our G strategy. इसको सॉल्व करने का तरीका इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. लुक एट हियर, डिवाइड थ्रू आउट बाय x and then use all these things. Inequality ka rules, I have to use inequality. I have to use inequality. I have to use modulus. I have to use power 4 as well. Okay. So this, I have a G strategy for this question. Very beautiful G strategy. G strategy logic is very simple. Wherever you see X or N or M, उसको वहीं पे मार दो. Wherever you see X, उसको वहीं पे मार दो. मार दो mean kill X. Okay, which of the following value, which of the value you can put for X? Can you give me any value for X, for real value of X? 2 क्यों लेना है यार? Why to take 2, 5, 10? Easy value. 1. If I put 1 divide by 1 plus 1 to the power 4 root 1 by root 2. Okay. Let's try to put 2 as well. I put 1. Okay. All I've did is I put x equal to 1. Jidhar x dekha, I have to put some value. This is my G strategy. No. Prashant, you cannot solve using options. 1 by root 2. Okay. If I put x equal to 2, this will become 2 divided by 1 plus 2 to the power 4, 16. This is 2 by root 17, which is less than this. So maximum possible value is this. Answer kitna aega? C. Atuf, that's what I'm telling. Rather than chatting, please post, look at what I'm solving. All I did is put x equal to 1. All I did, I put x equal to 1 and I got my answer, 1 by root 2. That's it. Out of 26 question of the quant section, can you solve 5 questions like this? Using G strategy, can I solve 5 questions? I'm not expecting too much. Can I solve 5? Fine. Those who are joining us late, for the real value of x, I put x equal to 1. So this become 1 by root 2. Answer is this. So 5 question if you can solve using G strategy, 5 question if you can solve using your hard work, that's it. That's your cutoff. All you have to do is get 10 marks. Okay. All you have to do is to get 10 marks. That's it. So if these kind of questions are coming in the CAT exam, that's good for you. Trust me. All right. And this is a simple question. So it's real number. Real matlab you cannot put 0. You have to put 1, 2, 3. Now this is a simple question. Okay, why I've taken this question? This question will come in the CAT exam also. This question will come in the CMAT exam also. This question will come in the CET exam also. NMAT, SNAP, TEST, every exam, this question can come. The only problem is CAT, you have got 2 minutes ka time to solve the question. CET, you have got 45 seconds ka time to solve the question. And that's the main fundamental issue. Okay. Otherwise, same question. So yeah, there are some topics which are common. Now, this question will not come in the non-CAT exam. Most probably will not come in the non-CAT exam. So I'm going to use my G strategy in all these questions. But mainly for the modern maths will not come. But otherwise, arithmetic, time, speed, distance, time and work, all these topics are going to come in the exams. Okay, Anjali, that's your homework today. Whatever is the number of question in the exam, divide by the time we have. We'll give you time per question. CMAT have got 100 question. Time we have is 200. Sorry, time by number of question. Time we have is 3 hours. 3 hours matlab 180 minute. So time per question 1.8 minute. So like that you have to calculate for every exam. So this is based on simple interest. So simple question I can solve, but detailed question, these kind of question will take more time. But then cutoff is low. Same from the verbal section point of view. If I talk about the CAT exam, there are 3 main things. See, in verbal: reading, grammar, and vocab. If I talk about the CAT exam, only 3 topics are going to come. That's it. RC, parajumble, parasummary, odd man out, they're all part of the reading part. All things are part of the paragraph based question. Non-CAT exam, of course, these 3 will come, and sentence correction, and match the following, and antonym synonym, and fill the blanks, everything. So that's the difference between CAT and non-CAT. In quant, CAT syllabus is more. In non-CAT exam, in verbal section, CAT syllabus is less. Difficulty obviously is high. वो हम बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर CET 21. हाउ विल दिस इफेक्ट? मैं यार आके पूरा अलग है यार. CET 20 CET का प्रिपरेशन इज टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द कैट प्रिपरेशन. But because you have given the CET exam, you are prepared for this level of exam, you can easily jump to the next level. That's the advantage you have. Normally, what people do, they first give the CAT exam. Okay, that's okay. First give the CAT exam, and then they go for the non-CAT exam. The non-CAT ka level is thoda easy. So I jumping here, then jumping here, you will find non-CAT to be very simple. Type B student. This is type A student, where first I'm giving non-CAT exam or CET exam, then I'm going for the CAT exam. According to me, type A wala will be more comfortable with the CAT exam. Okay. Yes, you can give all the exams, of course. All right, you can give all the exams. See, there's a 2000 ka kharcha per exam. If you want to give that many exam, there's a 2000 ka kharcha, and that 25 exams in India. Okay, that 25 exam in India. You can give all the exams into 2000, into 50,000 ka kharcha. I only want you to focus on top 5 exam. Ram, I can see all the chats. I'm not replying to everyone. Yeah. So hi all. So I can see all of your chats, but you can't see everybody's chat. Huh. Gautam, that I'll decide. That is my responsibility. You are not going to fill any form without talking to me. Chalega, can we have that deal? Okay. The moment exam ka forms are out, the moment CMET ka form is out, CET ka form is out, NMET ka form is out, CAT ka form is out, I'll make a video and then we'll decide whether to, I'll give you all the positives and all the negative of every exam. There's a possibility you might have joined us for CAT, but you might not be giving the CAT exam. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Okay. ठीक है. तो अभी प्रसाद ने कहा कि सीमेट मत दो, सीमेट इज बेकार एग्जाम, सीमेट मत दो, कोई मत दो सीमेट. भाई, last year, whatever happened in CMAT exam, did somebody got 99.99? Have people got 99.99? Yes, there are people. ठीक है. तो यार तुम्हारा स्कोर नहीं आया तो बाकी का आने दो. मे बी नेक्स्ट एग्जाम हैपन ऑन टाइम. इस साल जो हुआ ना, अगले साल भी होगा तो नहीं हुआ कैसे पता? लाइक राम हैव गॉट 99.97. ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट ईयर भी प्रॉब्लम आएगा नहीं आएगा तुम्हें कैसे पता? व्हाई वी डिक्टेट दैट? आवर जॉब इज टू टेल यू कि भाई, that is what I'm saying. Prasad, exactly. I'll tell you all the positivities and all the negativities of the CMAT exam. Then you decide ना. अरे कूदो मत, टांग टूट जाएगा यहाँ से. अरे तुम उसको बता दो कि बेटा यहाँ से कूदेगा तो टांग टूट सकती है. आगे भाई की मर्जी, उसको कूदना तो कूदने दे. समझा? We are giving you the informed, we are taking the informed decision. I have to take 2-3 exam. CMAT ये वो, so we'll decide that. ये सब नवंबर में होगा. सब नवंबर के बाद. आपका पहला एग्जाम इस कैट का एग्जाम. ठीक है. आपका पहला एग्जाम इस कैट का एग्जाम. बाकी सब उसके बाद है. नवंबर टू फेब ऑल द एग्जाम विल हैपन. ओके. हाँ, अब आ गया वर्बल का मेन प्रॉब्लम इज द रीडिंग. यू हैव टू रीड 500 वर्ड का आरसी. Yeah, this is CAT 2020 ka RC. By the way, all the questions we have taken were CAT 2020. This is CAT 2020. This is CAT 2020. Last year CAT paper. Yeah, I'll be taking your maths, DI, logic. I won't take verbal. जिस दिन मैं तुम्हें verbal सिखा दिया उस दिन तुम छोड़ के भाग जाओगे. और मेरी जान, I've got the question. When will CET 22 happen? 21 का आता पता नहीं भाई, 22 कब होगा? Okay, so what they've done, this is CAT RC, hoga pakka, that is for sure. Fine. For CAT RC, they have just picked up book. This is a book, Anarchism. They have just picked the chapter number 1 ka first page. Imagine copy pasted the first page. This year CAT paper, they have just copy paste the book ka page number 1. All right. The problem not end here that 500 words are there. The problem is every question is almost 125 words. Every question is almost 125 words. Okay. There are some easy questions as well with 55 words. So I am taking average 100 words per question and 500 word ka RC. So 500 plus 400, you have to read almost 900 words. Anshul, yes. Now we'll move to the DI logic section, DI and logic. If I talk about the CAT exam, we have logic based DI, games, tournament, one set on calculation, fill in the blanks, caselet, arrangement. Typically, you will get one set on each of them. Yep. One set of each of them. Abhishek, yes. In all the non-CAT exam, the syllabus start from here. ये 3 topic नहीं आएगा. Apart from that, everything will come. So if you look at that way, the syllabus have increased. Himanshu, good point. What they do in the CAT exam, they can give you blood relationship ka question in a game. Yeah. They can give you direction sense ka question in logic based DI. This is what they do. But not to worry about. Hamara cutoff is 10 question correct. In verbal, Ram, yes. In quant, in DI. Wherever you study, guys, अपने सामने ये बड़ा बड़ा लगा दो. Okay. Wherever you study, just put it in front of you 10 10 10. That's it. आप 200 मार्क का पेपर दो, आप 400 मार्क का पेपर दो. Prashant, CAT paper is 26 out of 26 question. For CET student, out of 200, your target is 140 marks. This is the target for CET. This is the target for CAT. Verbal ka syllabus we just talked about here. This is verbal ka syllabus. अभिषेक तिवारी क्यों बोल रहा है भाई? नहीं पता तो क्यों बोल रहा है? तू मेरे को बता रहा है कि कितने क्वेश्चन आते हैं. ठीक है, तो भाई थोड़ा सोच ले यार अपने. अब मेरे पर एक डायलॉग है, मैं गर्ल्स के सामने बोलना नहीं चाहता. बेटा बाप को आगे तुम समझ जाओ मैं क्या बोलना चाहता था. अभिषेक बेचारा कॉपी पेस्ट करके डाला कि कैट में 34 क्वेश्चन आते हैं, कैट इज 34 क्वेश्चन, कैट इज 34 क्वेश्चन. अरे बेटा कंट्रोल कंट्रोल कंट्रोल. Fine. I'll send the PPT. I'll send the PPT. Okay, and then you will understand. Brunel, please control. Okay, there's a typical DI cassette. Okay. There's a typical DI cassette. This will come in all the exams. All right. Now, if you look at all the non-CAT exam, iska average kitna aayega? How much the percentage grows from this to this? How much is this to this? So these are typical question which are coming in the exams. But if I look at the CAT exam, you will find the fill in the blanks question. Now this fill in the blanks question is coming in CAT also, coming in CET also. Okay, this is common. Now all the exam, those who want to make it stylish, they are putting in fill in the blanks. Ekdam style marne ke liye. So they'll leave a few questions blank and then you have to first fill them and then solve. Abhishek, yes. And that's a typical caselet. So what they do, here you have to create the table. Z have got one contract, so Z में one आएगा. X have more contracts than Y. So यहाँ पे इसका 2 आएगा, इसका 3 आएगा. So to create a connect. Look at the transformation here. Here we have the complete DI and you have to just solve the question. Pure calculation. Here I have to first complete the table and then solve the question. Here I have to make the table. Can you see the change? Transformation? Now, this question is low on low on brains, low on understanding, but very high on calculation. Bhar ke calculation. This question is medium level, somewhat logic, somewhat calculation. And this question is purely based on logic with zero or very few calculation. Because look at the values here, 5 contracts, 1 contract, 1, 5, 4, 7. The values are 1, 2, 3, 4, very less. ठीक है, चलेगा? आपको आइडिया आया? Okay. So CAT point of view, that's your target. Your target is 95 percentile plus per section. Aniket, the basics are common. 11 question correct, 8 question correct, 10 question correct. Total 25 plus. So that's why I'm giving you the target, very simple target, easy to remember target is 10, 10, 10. If you can get me 10, 10, 10 question correct, you are going to IIMS. Fine, that's my last point. Yes, there's reservation for everyone. You have to check out the reservation. If you cannot clear the cutoff, then you'll not get the IIM call, obviously. Wow, beta, wow. You have to clear 10, 10, 10. Sir, what if I get 10, 0 and 10? Then, तो बेटा घर बैठो, नॉन कैट एग्जाम. ठीक है. हाँ, then 99, you can target 90, you can target 100 percentile. Yeah, Saurav is totally your wish. You can target whatever number of question. Total number of question as of today in the CAT exam is 76. For the reserved category student, the target is 666. Okay, let's keep it simple. For those who from the open category, target is 10 question correct. Attempt nahi, correct. Correct. Into 3 marks per question. For OBC and EWS, let's keep the target in 888. ठीक है. OBC, EWS 888. SC, ST 666. Engineer, non-engineer, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Fazul into 3 marks. Okay. Now, how to plan your everyday? Last point is your weekly targets. That's it. I don't know. I don't care. You are working, you have a college, you have this, you have that. I want you to complete this week. There are 9 lectures happening this week. I want you to just focus on this. Nikit 100 number पे call करो and please explain them all these things. They will help you out. I can't help you in all these things. ठीक है. 100 पे call करो. So this week we're doing 9 lecture, 6 basics, 3 advanced. Okay, and let's focus on this part only. And my last, in case you want to join the program, you can call the numbers here. All right, chalo bhai. Okay, we'll stop here. So every Monday, normally we do it on Monday, we'll have a strategy meet like this. Chalega? Every Monday we'll have a strategic meet like this. Then I'll upload this on YouTube.